on YouTube. Dorito here with Little Bill, and this is our motorcycle mechanic, and we're here at his shop today, and he's going to show you guys how to install the HammerHead Performance intake and exhaust kit. It's a really easy kit to install, and it only takes a few tools.
Pretty much all you're going to need a 10mm wrench for the exhaust manifold and 13mm for the stock exhaust band.
And then for the carburetor, it's just
for the carburetor, all you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver pretty much, and whatever, maybe a 10mm to take off your airbox, depending on your airbox and your cart.
And the airbox is already off on this because this is an older cart. We're just putting up the stuff, and we're going to glorify this buggy. You're going to see a lot more of this buggy. This buggy's been around for a while. I know you guys remember it. So what we're going to do is, without any further ado, we're going to get on this exhaust and get it going. So we'll get right back to you guys, all right? All right, guys, we're back. And now it's time for Bill to take it away and pull the exhaust and let you guys know about it. So I'm going to step back and let him do his magic. Take it away, Bill.
Pretty much just take your 10mm wrench. Do this side of the exhaust manifold. Pretty simple, just one bolt. Then on this side, it's a little bit tricky. You have to really get in here. But with the I use the box 10. Get in here. And pop this 10mm out. Wrench a little bit long on the studs on these. Just that. You fully work your exhaust out from the back. A little bit tricky to get out of here. That's about it.
Okay, we're back, and now it's time to go ahead and install the HammerHead header and muffler as well. And I'm going to hand that on over, and Bill's going to slide it on through. And
all right, now we're going to take our 10mm, pull your exhaust through. Really easy. You don't want to dent it. Line it up on the studs on your head. Okay. Okay, now we go to the other side. Same thing. 10mm.
now you do want to kind of, when you are going to tighten this up, you want to have somebody help you out and keep it close to the position where it's going to be, because you want that gasket to line up perfect. Correct, Bill?
Correct. I forgot to say, you have to put there's a gasket that goes in. Put the gasket in first, and then the exhaust, and then the two bolts. Then you grab your 13 and your band for your exhaust. You can slide it right up on the HammerHead exhaust. It goes right on your stock mount.
And that takes a little bit of work. So what we're going to do is, oh, he got it, first shot. Look at that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tighten everything up and get back to you guys on the carburetor, okay? Okay, people, we're back, and Bill's going to pull the carburetor on this. We're not going to do an up-close shot because you guys, you've seen it a million times. What he's going to do is remove the carburetor, and he's going to put in the original carburetor, or put in the carburetor that was pre-jetted in the other video, okay? So take it away, Bill.
All right, you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver. You're going to have to remove your ignition box. It's 2 screws. Expose your coil and all your wiring. There's just a plug, 2 prongs. Pull it out. That's this for your electric choke. Then you gotta remove your throttle cable. Just a little ball comes out. Remove your vacuum line. With the Phillips screwdriver again. Undo the one Phillip on the hose clamp on your intake manifold, and if you just wiggle it real lightly, you don't want to break your boot. It should come out. And also your gas line, and you want to plug that up with something so you don't get gas all over your garage. Now we're going to install the new carburetor that's jetted for the HammerHead Performance exhaust in the previous video. Now we're going to take our new carburetor that's jetted for the HammerHead Performance exhaust and install it. First, take the electric choke wire, run it around into your electrical box, and connect it. Take your carb, put it into your manifold boot. Have to wiggle it back and forth to get in there and make sure it's seated in there right. Make sure it's all the way in. Tighten up your manifold boot. Now we'll hook up our throttle cable. Same way you took it off. Next, we'll hook up our vacuum line. And very last, our gas line. That's it. All you gotta do is put your cover back on. We're good. All right, now we're gonna install our velocity stack with a UNI filter. We already pre-installed the air filter on the velocity stack, so pretty much it's just slide on, tighten the hose clamp with a screwdriver. Fill up or flathead depending on what your hose clamps have.
All right, guys, we're back. Now we got everything, the HammerHead Performance kit installed. We got the pipe and the header pipe and the muffler installed. We got the carburetor. We got the intake installed. We're going to fire this up real quick, and then we're going to let Bill give his opinion, okay? So let's go ahead and start this up real quick. Sounds pretty good. Throaty as heck. So definitely going to run it, and we're going to show you guys what it has done to this buggy, power-wise and everything like that. What do you think, Bill?
Well, I think you get your maximum amount of performance due to the size of your exhaust. It's only about 3/4 of an inch compared to about 1.5 inches of the HammerHead Performance exhaust. Yep. So you're going to pull a lot more exhaust out. You're going to get a lot more performance out of that exhaust.
Yep. Now the pipe is 1 inch, but the baffle is 1.5 inches at the end, so it breathes a lot better. With the intake as well, the velocity stack, it actually goes up a little bit bigger. So you're going to get more air in, more exhaust out. And we all know what that means.
That will expel your exhaust gases faster than your Uncle Jack after burrito night at the VFW.
So I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you, little Bill, for going ahead and helping me out here. And you guys will see a lot more videos with Bill. And you're going to see some other stuff, too, with the dirt bikes. So thanks a lot, Bill. I appreciate it, brother.
No problem, man.
And we'll get back to you guys. Thanks for watching. Bill, take it peace. There, okay? So let me start this real quick.
Sorry, guys.